afternoon, everyone. Our name is Tina
and Son. We are freshmen studying at KNU, majoring in
nursing. Today we are going to talk about how to do CPR.
Let's learn how to do CPR.
Look at this picture. Do you know who he is? His name is Onyu. Onyu is at a loss looking at a person who fainted. If you were Onyu, what would you do? Today our presentation is in 5 parts. Also, there will be quiz time at the end, so please listen carefully.
First, calm down and check the patient's consciousness and breathe. Don't be embarrassed and relax.
Second, ask for calling 119 to someone and looking for AED to another person.
Third, give the patient chest compressions by placing both hands down, palms down on the middle of his chest and press the patient's chest 5 centimeters by your upper body weight.
Here you should be careful not to break his ribs. Also, you need to do chest compressions 30 times at a time.
Fourth, extend the head back to create an airway and try artificial respiration. Open the jaws to check for obstructions, and if any exist, try to dislodge the object.
Lift his chin and shut his nose and infuse your breath to him twice. Finally, repeat chest compressions and artificial respiration until the rescuers arrive or the patient gets away.
Summary. Let's look at what we've been saying. Step 1 is checking for the patient's consciousness and breathe. Step 2 is asking to calling 119. Step 3 is chest compressions. Step 4 is artificial breathing. Step 5 is repeating step 3 and 4.
Don't forget the CPR steps.
Thank you for listening.
Wait, not finished. If you do CPR, how many times chest compressions at a time should you do?
5.
Yes, sorry.
Oh, that's right. Congratulations.